Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can use smart alarm in Rust. So what you'll need to have is seismic sensor, smart alarm, and some power supply, or you can have heartbeat sensor or the pressure pad. So there are three ways how you can use the smart alarm, so I will show every way how you can do that. So the first way is the pressure pad. So if you power from the power supply to the pressure pad, and after that you power out to the smart alarm, you will be able to use the pressure pad to notify you. So let's say someone jumps on your pressure pad, it will notify that your base is getting raided. So for my experience, what I like to use is seismic sensor or the heartbeat sensor, because heartbeat sensor just detects a heart beats around your base, and the seismic sensor, it just uses the sound to detect if something is bad happening to your base. So I will show you the seismic right now. So take the power out and go and plug to power in, and after that take the power out and right here go and power in your seismic sensor, and after that here you will be able to configure. If you take your wire, you'll be able to configure and pair your device with Rust Plus, and here you will be able to edit your message. And after that, if you shoot, it will basically detect that you're shooting and notify you. And right here you can configure the sensor range like meters, as you can see. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.